All right, everyone. I believe you must have been following this particular channel, for quite a long time now. And I have had like over 400 videos about Power BI and Microsoft Excel. So there is this particular, project I have worked on, and I feel like everybody needs to see how to actually analyze such data. So it's actually about turkey farming. And over here, you're going to actually download this particular zip file from me. And as you can see, we have all of those particular files right in here. So we're going to be creating this particular dashboard inside Microsoft Excel. So before I upload the main video right in here, I want you to actually, work on the data set all by yourself. You understand? So let me show you how to load it. So if you go to Excel right here, so over here, you're going to actually open a blank slate, like a blank Excel workbook, nothing inside it, and start loading your data. So all you have to do is to go over to this particular part right here. So go to data. Once you get to data, you have to find out what is your file type. So over here, click on get data and click on file, and it's actually, text file like CSV. So once you click it, you're going to see all of those particular files right in here, load it in. So now, when you load this particular file in, you are not going to actually load it into the, Excel worksheet, right? Instead, we're going to connect to the model, like over here. Can you see? Power Pivot is all going to use to actually house all our data. I'm just giving you a hint of what you need to do. So if you have been following me before now, this particular project will definitely tell if you have learned a lot of things from me. You understand? So you have to take on this project all by yourself before I come up with the final solution. So over here, as you can see, we have all of the files right in here. This is exactly what you're going to create. This model here is what you're going to create. And over here, I have a date or a calendar table. You are going to link it as well, right? So I'm just going to take this one now and link it to where I have my date right in. This is how I got my data linked together, or my tables linked together. You're going to do the same exact thing. So maybe your question now is this: your own data does not have the date table. That was because I created it all by myself. Let me quickly show you. Let's go over to Power Query. So over here, we are actually in Power Query environment. If I double click over here now, it's going to take me through every single tables I have loaded into Power Query. So now here we go. We have it right here. This is our calendar table. So as I've said earlier, if you have been watching my videos, you would have known how to actually get this particular, calendar table created. So all I did was to actually get this particular fact sales here duplicated, and I remove other columns, exclude the date column, and I removed the duplicate from the date column, and that was how I got to create this particular one right here. So in order to create this, you just have to make sure you select this particular column here and go to add column and go over here. You can see every single columns you want to add are all here. So let me give you a quick bonus that you might not actually have any knowledge on how I got it created. So if I take you over to this particular part right now, you can see we have this particular season right in here. Let me change the data type quickly to text. So right now we have winter, summer, and others right in here. So how did I create this? I have to actually add, column myself. So this is what we call M code. You have to write the M code for this because it is not on default one. So this is the M code I have used in case you want to actually get it created before I actually upload the final result. All you have to do right now is to copy the same exact code and it will definitely work for you. You understand? But make sure you have this particular one named date and all of that, and it's going to work for you. So this is all you need to know about the upcoming project on this particular channel. So all you have to do right now is to go ahead and actually get this particular data right in here, loaded into Power Query, then transform it and go in it, make sure everything is okay. Then the next thing you have to do is to make sure you push every single tables into Power Pivot. And after you might have done that, you have to actually create connections just like the way I have done right in here. This is actually what's going to make your dashboard to actually, filter and give you so many insights and all of that. So I believe this particular project will definitely open your mind more on how to analyze data using Microsoft Excel. So I believe you're going to actually get this one created before I definitely upload the final result. So let me see what your thoughts are in the comments. I'll be waiting for you to actually say something. So see you in the final video.